Hi, I'm Lauren from LSP Actions. In this super quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can achieve completely different looks with just one image using our Lightroom preset collection, the Wild Spirit Instant Curated collection. These are literally hover and click instant looks for your image. Beautiful shot on my screen captured by Ivor, Wellbelove. So let's dive in. Each one of these has a base and a combo where masks are added, so you can have different looks to your image. And the cool thing is you don't have to just click these all to apply, you can just hover over and see how they work for your image. I think Daphne combo is looking really beautiful on here. So that's a lovely clean edit. And we can go over and we can see as well, Ivy Bark I think is really bringing out those colours. And when you've decided which preset you want to use, you can just click on this one. At the top here you have an amount slider, you can ease it off or you can make it more intense. I've created a few virtual copies of the same image here so we can apply some different looks. Now in the Breezy collection. The Breezy collection is for your light and airy images. And once you've found a preset that you really love, an airy look, you can always manually change your exposure, and this is what I recommend as well. On your Lightroom panel, just playing with your exposure as you apply these is going to really help you make this preset your own. I really like the pink in combo there. And we can change the exposure. You can change any of these. The preset sets them for you, also applies masks. Now let's go down for something a bit more fun. Let's have a wintry edit. This is great if your image is a winter image anyway. I wouldn't recommend if you're shooting a blossom field or something like that. But if your image could be a winter and you want to create that really kind of creative edit in just a click, you can hover over these. And these presets are cool as well. Of course, you have your bases where it, will give you the base edit, but you also have the combos where it adds the masking in. A lot of these winter preset masks include fog, snow, and rain. To really get that image popping. This is Caspar raining, Caspar snowing, or just your Caspar combo. So you can get these beautiful, cool looking images. And if the preset looks a little bit too much, but you really want to apply it, you can just click on that and turn it down. And just get the look that you want. At any point you add a preset, you want to change it, you can just Control or Command Z to undo the effect. So let's have a little look through these. You'll see they do completely different things, and it really depends on your image whether which preset will suit. And Blue Meat is very cool. I think for this one, the Caspar preset combo effects 1, and once you've applied, you can slide this stronger or calmer, depending on how you want your image to look. So that's a really lovely frosty winter image, and you can go through any of these. You can just hover over and see which one you'd like to choose for your image. So now we're into the moody scene, so let's open another image, another version of this straight from camera, and you can start hovering over the moodies if you want kind of a moody edit. They are the extreme edits, these are the cinematics. So let's keep going through and decide which one we'd like to work for our image. Bluestone I think is really very cool. You have cinematic here. I love the colours and tones, so I'm just going to click on that one for a moment. You can make this more intense, or you can ease it off with a light cinematic edit. And you can hover over all of these. And the names are quite memorable, so when you choose your favourites, if you love it for every image, you can right click, add to favourites, so you never forget which preset you used on the last edit. Now let's go down into a golden edit with our golden effects. Again, you can just hover over all of these and see which one you'd like to choose for your image. I think golden is going to work really, really beautifully for this one. So that's diffusion, diffusion combo, or diffusion combo with effects. The effects in our golden presets are glitters, fireflies, bokehs, and sunlight. So you can just click on that. It's just going to take a second to apply. And there's our beautiful image. That's using diffusion. This image is going to be really well suited for golden, so you'll find the preset set that's going to suit that particular image and that particular light. So I'm just now going through these golden presets because they're all very, very different from each other. Let's try heaven. So you can see all I'm doing is hovering over the preset and seeing the effect on our image before we choose to apply. This is soft bell combo, soft bell combo with effects. And we go down to our more rich fall golden scenes, burnt fall. This is a very strong preset. You can see it even puts these cool bokehs in the background. Really, really cool. And once you've applied it, you can just turn this down and decide how this is going to work on your image. You very rarely need a preset turned all the way up because that's going to completely overcook your image. Just something gentle like this looks really, really beautiful. And I love creating virtual image copies because sometimes when you're not sure of an edit, I've just clicked gold mute down here, and you're not sure which edit's going to work for your image, you can try a few. So let's see what we've tried so far. Here's our ivy bark. Original, which is also a beautiful shot straight out of camera. Our winter Caspar combo. Coming up for our moody cinefilm edit. Our rich fall golden effects diffusion is just going to snap on. And then we went for burnt fall, which is much stronger. Beautiful gold mute combo effects preset when Lightroom wants to, and there we go. And back to our original. So that's how you can get 6 or more. You can have up to 50 different looks per image, and you can also slide that slider up and down for infinite combinations of looks and styles for your image, and that's all inside Lightroom. No plugins required, nothing extra required. All you need is Lightroom and these presets. So I really hope this helps with your editing. Let me know which one is your favourite below, and you can watch the other tutorials over on our LSP Actions website or on our YouTube channel. You can grab these presets over at lsp-actions.com. That's the Wild Spirit Presets. I'm Lauren, thanks for watching.